Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dance house killer. No money me left my $50 aside to take up back. That's me that blood clot tell you. And my blood clot come down $50 me put your house and live in a house. So the squad and leave me and I'm saying I take up no money for you. And the money me take up. I don't live in a house. No, I don't want to go like that.
Hey, give no
All our family. Put me $50. I want money me take up myself. That me that blood. I say you don't touch me. I say you know one. Look, I say look at me now.
Hey, no man. Upper.
Hey, look at me, sir, man.
That's one reason. The biggest reason why me no gamble. See? Me no deal with gambling like this. No. You see, because guess what happened? When me a youth, I remember a man draw your weapon and damage another man for just $2.50. In that them time, they had the $10 for bus fare for adults and $5 for kids. Kidney like myself. You see me? And you know, me look at that and learn from that as a youth. Gambling, no, don't get me wrong, you know, me not say anything bad towards nobody and how them feel, you know. If them want gamble, that's for them point, but that's my point of view of life, you see me? Yeah, I mean, me take it so serious at times. You can count the amount of time I buy a cash pot on one hand. Me know it no reach 5, you know, but me just put 5 to make sure someone that tell lie by myself. To be honest, you see? Yeah. But anyways, in this video it's right here, so it's of two persons, you know. It's a mistake about a $50. One say one thief the $50 and one say him not thief the $50. And that really have gone with this one, right here. So as I say, the people them at first, you can hear them laughing at the background, because you know, people take people for jokes some of the time and all these things, you know, because you have some people where, you know, people just use them to enjoy themselves, find them entertaining, you see. However, them say that escalate more than it's supposed to go. That's the whole confrontation or argument we see right here. So, and at the end of the day, yeah, then them stop the fight. You see me? So nobody not get hurt really. You see? But you don't know, so me gonna bring to you, I bring to you my viewers who are going on social media and what hot. You see me I say, and yeah, this kind of hot on social media right now. You see me I say, gamblers, you know me? Fight over $50. Yeah. Anyways, let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name is Skilla and this is a Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself, you see it?